Welcome to week 10. We've made it to the final week of 2021-22. So before you all take some well-earned rest over the holidays, then do have a look to see what else we have planned for you this week. We have one twilight session this week, managing change. And also this week we have a focus on peer support. So some proofreading circles, opportunities for you to help each other with your Viva preparations. We'll also be running our I'm Stuck sessions, and of course our Kumo space is always open for you to come and join us, to share experiences and to feel part of that wider PhD PGR community. If I don't see you this week, then please do have a wonderful break, and to remember to take a break away from your research. Your research needs a holiday from you just as much as you need a holiday from your research. So whatever you plan to take some time away from your studies and away from your research to enable your brain to feel refreshed. And when you come back, you'll be surprised at how ready you are to continue with your studies.